Today we're going to learn how to take a spreadsheet that's in Excel and convert it to an Outlook group that you can send email messages to. So this would be very useful for teachers as far as having perhaps a parent spreadsheet with parent contact information and then using the fields name and email to create an Outlook. So the first thing you will do is actually create your spreadsheet. So this is what I've done right here, as you can tell. I do have two fields. I have name up here and email. It doesn't matter if you have multiple fields. The two fields you definitely need to have though are a name and an email. What you want to do at this point is you want to go up to your file and you want to save as. And in this particular case, I'm just going to save it to my desktop so I can find it quickly. And you don't want to save it as an Excel workbook. So here I'm going to put down parent emails as a file name. Parent emails or parent contacts are fine. Parent contact. And I want to save it not as an Excel workbook, but I do want to save it as a CSV, delimited file right there because that's what we're going to import it with. And you're just going to hit save. Okay, you're going to hit OK here and hit yes here. And then you're going to close it. You have got to close it, otherwise the next step won't work when it's an active file. So I'm going to go ahead and close it, and I'm going to say don't save because I've already saved it as a CSV file. Then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Outlook Express. You're going to go to your contacts down here. I'm going to move my little recorder out of the way. And on contacts right here, you can see right there I've got contacts. You're going to right click on it and you're going to go to new folder. So in new folder, I'm going to say parent contacts. Okay, and I'm going to hit OK. And you should see parent contacts come up. So right here at the bottom, you have parent contacts. Okay. At this point, you want to highlight it. So right now I've got it highlighted, and you want to go to File, and you want to go to Open, and you want to go to Import. So once you have Import, you are going to go with the default here. So it's Import from another program or file. So you're going to hit Next. And in this particular, you want to go to the third one down where it says comma separated values windows. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to hit Next. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Browse. So in this case, I now have to go find where I saved it earlier. So I'm going to click on Desktop, and I'm going to look for Parent Contacts. And here we go. It's right here, Parent Contact. Click it and hit OK. You do want the third one, whatever it's defaulting to, so allow duplicates to be created. That's fine. You're going to hit Next. You want to make sure it's in the right section. So we do want it under Contacts. We do want it going into Parent Contacts. So if it's accidentally Girl Scouts right here, Core Group 2, you definitely want to make sure it's going to Parent Contacts. So you're going to hit Next. This should automatically be checked. If it's not, you definitely want to make sure it says Import, check, and you want to go to Map Custom Fields. This is probably the most important step right here. So Map Custom Fields. And we've got name and email because that is on the contact sheet right here. So you want to make sure name is mapped to name. So you see where it says here on this size field, it says name, and it says map from name. So that is good. Where we normally have the problem is where we have email here. So we're going to click down here and we're going to look for email. We're just going to keep going down, and we see email right here. So I need to say I want this email mapped to the email here. So all you have to do is hold it and drag it down like I just did. So we've got email mapped from email. So we are good. So name and email are going to be mapped from the Excel spreadsheet over to the parent contact list. So I'm going to say OK at this point. I'm going to say finish, and it shouldn't take very long. And all of a sudden you see now I've got my parent contacts right here. So I only had 3 right here, and I've got parent contacts right here. So it's very quick. So what I would do at this point is I'd go to my mail. At this point, you're going to want to actually access your parent contact list. So you're back here at your email. So you're going to go to New Email. You're going to click on 2. You want to make sure it says name only up here. I was having problems earlier, but what you will do is click the down arrow, scroll up to the top, and where it says contacts right there, it's going to list all my contacts, but I want to find the parent one. So I'm going to see where it says parent email, so it came right up. I'm going to hit 2, hit OK, and then that's how I get my parent emails to all my parents.